How to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. First, you need to go to Task Manager or Device Manager and make sure that you have dedicated graphic, because dedicated graphic is not a software or an app that you can download. It is something that is physical. It has to be inbuilt into your computer. So I'll go and scroll down to display adapter, and you can see I have two NVIDIA and Intel. So my computer has dedicated graphics, but it does not necessarily mean that I'm using my dedicated graphic, and I will be missing a lot in terms of performance. So to solve that, right click, go to show more, and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Okay, go to manage 3D settings and change here from auto select to high performance NVIDIA. Apply. Go to VSX and change from auto to quadro. Apply. Okay, you're not done yet. Some apps might still be using the inbuilt Intel graphic, so you need to solve that. You go to Window and go to Settings. Then I'll go to Systems. I'll go to Display. Then I'll go to Graphics. So I will select, for example, Photos, and change light window from light window decide to high performance NVIDIA. You can also add an app that you wish, as long as it's in. So you can add, you can click add and search where you've installed your app. For example, you can search Bandicam and go to open file location, and then again open file location, and then I'll copy this, then I will type it here and search and go to ex. So I want Bandicam and add, and then from there you can just use high performance NVIDIA. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.